And we have more news coming in, and this again is from Sambhal. It's a big hunt for Pakistan bullets in Sambhal where rioting had taken place. Drains near the Shahi Mosque are being scanned. Pakistan-made bullets fired during the riots. Cops prove a Pakistan link to the Sambhal riots. Metal detectors used for the bullet hunt. The Pakistan-made bullets have been found in this train. I'm going to go straight across to Amit for more details on that. Amit, if you could just give us an idea about this investigation where Pakistan and US-made bullets have been found.
Yes, Neha, we are bringing two pictures for our viewers. One, as you were mentioning, from Ghazipur border where Rahul Gandhi is. But more important picture from the ground in Sambhal, right in the back lanes of Jama Masjid. What is happening is a massive search operation being conducted by the police, Sambhal police. And metal detectors are being used by the Sambhal police in order to find out as to whether there are further bullets which could be in the drain waste. And these are the metal detectors which are being used by the police out here. Remember, yesterday the police conducted similar kind of search operation in a nearby neighborhood, and what they found was 6 bullets were found from the drain waste, and according to the police sources, 5 of them were actually either used or misfired ones. 1 bullet was a live bullet that was recovered during these searches. And along with that, the police sources are also claiming that one of the bullets actually was from Pakistan Ordnance Factory. Now, that has put the entire police mechanism and the investigative team on high alert. And this is leading to this very unusual scene, because usually you would not find situation of this sort where you actually have to go through drain waste and run it through metal detectors. So continuously you will see police officials from different teams are using metal detectors to go through that drain waste, and it's being done with very minutely, patch after patch. The drain waste is being looked, and after that metal detectors are being used to find out as to whether there could be a possibility of a cartridge. Right there you could see the metal detector was beeping, and that is why it's being further investigated as to whether there is a possibility of a cartridge that could be found here. And the reason being is that 6 bullets were found yesterday when similar search operation was conducted in the nearby neighborhood. Now, the police has decided that all around the area where on November 24th, the violence happened in Sambhal near Jama Masjid, they will go through patch after patch, area after area, and including the drains and drain waste is being looked into to look as to whether there are more bullets used, misfired, live bullets, number one. Number two, what is the origin of that the bullet that could be recovered from these places, because if it's a country-made bullet, that's another question, and whether further Pakistan Ordnance Factory bullet could be found. That is the prime focus of the investigative agency right now. The reason being is that earlier as well, the high authorities within the Moradabad Commissionerate had told me that, we are looking, while we have the footage of the suspects and we are zeroing down the suspects who had led the arson in the bylanes of Jama Masjid, but our focus is also on the brain behind this arson, whether there was a larger conspiracy, who were the conspirators, whether they instigated, a crowd, a big number of crowd to go ahead and do stone pelting and arson, and to find out who were the brains behind the violence of November 24th. So in order to look into the bigger conspiracy as well as whether there was well-planned, a conspiracy into it, and who were the masterminds of that violence is the primary focus of the agencies right now in Sambhal, and that is why a search operation of this kind is happening. So on one side, political drama is unfolding on the UP-Delhi border. On the other side, the investigative agency is doing its job on the ground in Sambhal, and that is why possibly the administration is saying that, look, the law and order situation might be under control, but the situation still continues to be tense, and we need to carry out our investigation to find out how what happened on November 24th and who were the people behind it. And possibly these are the arguments, visuals that is being used to defend the administration's decision to not allow the political delegations into Sambhal. Sneha.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Amit Bharadwaj getting in those details. Yes, political delegations aren't allowed at Sambhal. The cops have made it clear up until the 10th of December it's not happening. Last Saturday, the Samajwadi Party delegation had also been asked to go back when they managed to reach, almost managed to reach Sambhal. In fact, attempts were being made by various political leaders to go to Sambhal, but the cops say not happening. The law and order situation can worsen even further.